news on the newspaper page. Northern tradition of the grand design, some people say is even harder to find. Well, then there must be some magic clue inside these gentle walls, 'cause all I see is a tower of dreams, real love bursting out of every scene.
Right now we have the gravy, the mac and cheese stuff. We got the turkey, of course, the cheese, and the peas that we're gonna go with so far. Haven't bought everything just yet.
Wait, are you making pie or are you brought pie? I brought pie.
As you guys can see, here is a full turkey. Oh, this thing is heavier than you guys really think it is. Holy crap.
Okay, so this looks bad quick. Oh, jeez. Now how do I do this? So just stab this and drink?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty
push
much.
against it first.
Bali's about to do his first shotgun right now.
Okay, wait.
Kind of like make a little opening and then
Oh shit! Go!
now pop open the thing.
Pop up the thing if you need more flow.
Hey, slap that. Suck.
I'm dead!
Got sprayed.
This bitch drenched! The night just started! Holy shit, there's a lot in there then.
Squeeze that shit. Suck. You gotta literally suck. Yeah. Make the hole bigger if you want. Is that?
Fuck, it's still there?
Oh! It's a lot of beer, eh? You're gonna be fucking drunk.
Oh, I was just trying to squeeze it. My bad.
I seen the.
It's like the first thing you get.
So far, everything's going pretty smooth. Yo, it's fucking great. Oh my god. So, pretty smooth so far.
We're stressed. We're stressed.
I can see why white people are stressing over this shit. Like me and Joel were talking, like there's so many guys in line buying flowers because you know they fucking forgot the turkey. We're dying.
Yo, one guy was looking in the same house our turkeys.
Yeah, the next level.
He was stressed. He's like, I don't know if this is gonna work. He's calling people. And I was like, this guy's fucked up.
I died. He just walked out literally empty-handed. Nothing.
He's like, I'm gonna take my L anyway.
I caught your ass almost running through the light, eh? Anyways, right?
Yo, I only have chlamydia.
Chlamydia is a bacterial infection that's primarily sexually transmitted.
I think everybody gets that at once, right?
Yeah. I feel like we already all kissed
Real
each other.
niggas got explains.
What?
Real niggas get chlamydia twice.
Okay, I'm about to show you what Chef Joel's cooking up right now. Jeez, this mac and cheese
Breadcrumbs on
looking
the mac and cheese.
fucking stupid right now.
You thought it was crab dinner? Come on. We don't do that.
Alright, let me show this guy this gravy, bro. Alright, you guys know what gravy is, right? Is this fucking gravy?
Yo, we're about to make one mistake. It's fine. Mistakes are made. You learn from them. You grow.
Is this fucking gravy, bro?
It's a gravy. It's a gravy.
What time is it?
So this is hot and that's quick.
So apparently this is supposed to be gravy.
It's supposed to be thick, no?
Yeah, you're supposed to be thick.
Huh? Yo, tell that to my mom.
You know, we got the damn stovetop stuff in right now. We didn't have enough time for the real stuff, so we're gonna do stovetop. 5 minutes. What do you want me to do, bro? What do you want me to do? So we're gonna see if Bali can do this right. So come this way. Let's see if Bali can do it.
So, you're explaining.
Okay, so guys, it's water, it's butter, and it's stirring. I don't think I got this. To be honest with this, I don't think so.
You don't see my interviews. Talk to us, chef. Talk to us, chef.
Browning a little bit, you know, like you don't want it to be too dark. You want it to be nice and brown so that it's cooked on the inside. It has a little bit of a crispy texture.
100%.
I got a little surprise for y'all. You guys want to see this? Like Thanksgiving, there's like some staple products, some staple things you gotta do. And I had to get this one thing for y'all. Hold on. You guys want to see it? Thumbs up if you guys want to see this shit. You guys want to see it anyways, go. Okay. What do you need in Thanksgiving, Vinny? What do you usually need in Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving?
Yeah, what do you need?
Friends.
And a fucking gravy boat, dog. You need a fucking gravy boat, bro. You need a fucking...
You got gravy sauce right here.
Ooh, I see you, Bolly.
Chefing it up, chefing it up.
Nice though. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my. This turkey looks insane.
I keep on holding, you never notice. I'm feeling hopeless. I keep on waiting for nothing. It's complicated. Will you?
Eat? Yo, Joe, can you pass me the gravy?
Hot commodity right now. Why is it good?
Maybe just for the snaps, though.
What? Juice?